Now you have your heavy cut stage done. Now it's time to get into polishing and refinement. And what we're gonna use is Starke's Finish-R, okay? This is a hybrid finishing polish, essentially an aggressive medium that finishes down like an ultra polish. We like to call it the step skipper. This is an amazing product. Now, what it's best paired with is a long throw polisher of your choice and the Starke Money Pad, which is 100% wool polishing pad. We have to prime the pad first, and we're only doing this just because this is a newer, fresh pad. And with these wool pads, it's a little different than the way you would do it with a foam pad. Simply, we're just gonna sit here and do what I like to call a spiral. It's simply that easy, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do to prime it, I'm gonna stick it directly on the surface. I'm gonna have my speed setting on about 2, no pressure at all.
Give it roughly about 10 seconds or so.
And now you'll see that that pad is now properly primed. Now moving on to your section, this section is a lot smaller than my normal working section, but for the sake of the video, so you know, we like to do about 4 pea-sized dots, just like that. It's gonna be enough product for you to be able to polish the section that you're working with. So there, just gonna kind of spread it around, a little bit of dab like that. Again, the machine's still on 2. Spread the product on 2. Now I'm gonna go roughly about 5 to 5.5, and when I'm pushing down, I have about 5 pounds of pressure. So generally about 5 pounds of pressure when you're pushing down. And then I'm literally just gonna do some overlapping sections. I'm gonna make about 4 passes, and that should be enough.
Pay close attention to my arm speed. This isn't a race, slow and steady. 50% overlap. I'm gonna go down to my last pass now.
And from there, you just wipe off the residue and you're done. Now you can really see that gloss. It's really enhanced, it's really popping out. So now here's a good reason why this is so successful. If you look here, now those swirls that you had before from the rotary machine are now gone. That's why you want to utilize a dual action polisher. That way you don't get those holograms when the light hits the side of your boat.